What's up, guys? So we just finished a pretty cool Sherco build, and I just wanted to go over the bike, show you some of the stuff we did to it. Alright guys, it's a 2021 Sherco SE300 two-stroke. My favorite Sherco, which you'll know if you've watched any of my ride videos on them. Comes with the KYB and the CNC neck and clamps and all that stuff stock. But you guys know all that. So what we did to it, starting off on the front, working our way back. Bulletproof designs, lower front rotor guard. Only one that really looks like that. Pretty cool. I mean, anything bulletproof is literally bulletproof. Yeah, moving on up, the Cycra handguards, the blues match perfectly. It looks really good with those on there. These are the ones that mount to the top of the handlebar clamps. Really cool. Bulletproof designs, radiator guards. Probably the best in the biz. Move on back. We got the AXP skid plate with link guard. Try to get you guys a good view of that. Also got the AXP chain guard or chain guide back there, which is weirdly a completely different shade of blue than the skid plate, but works pretty good. There's our bulletproof design swing arm tab guard. Just keeps you from breaking off those tabs. Oh yeah, the Fastway Evo Air XT pegs with the heel saver. Really cool. And then lastly, over on this side, we've got the Bulletproof Designs rear rotor guard and rear caliper guard that work together. So this bike already is probably the best looking bike out of the box. And then the stuff we added to it, see, just tops it off even that much more. So I think he's gonna be really happy with this Sherco. They definitely look sharp. But yeah, thought you guys might enjoy seeing some of those accessories. We can accessorize anything here at AOMC before it goes out the door. So if you ever need help, holler at us. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.